A surge in COVID cases, testing shortages, staff absences, snow days, staff burnout, all forming a perfect storm to contribute to school closures across the United States. New York's new mayor, Eric Adams, has vowed to tackle the issue of school closures. Adams is not the only mayor entangled in this issue. Schools in the nation's third largest school district, Chicago, were closed due to a teacher's work action over COVID-19 mitigation measures. Teachers there had signaled unhappiness with the city's administration for some time.
Since the beginning of the pandemic, we've advocated strongly for the most safety that we can possibly have in all of our school communities. And we have not seen Chicago Public Schools put together a plan that comprehensively does that.
An agreement was eventually reached with Mayor Lori Lightfoot that laid out the metrics for determining school closures. This confusion and disquiet between the union and city officials speaks to a bigger problem around the country. On top of this, teacher retention is a major issue in many schools. Those leaving the profession cited COVID safety concerns, high stress, and low pay, and politicians are taking note. Beto O'Rourke, candidate for governor of Texas, has made this a talking point in his campaign.
The average Texas teacher is paid about $10,000 less than the average American teacher. So just to get to average, and Texans are never satisfied with average, but just to get to average, we're $10,000 down. If we could pay our teachers what they're worth, they wouldn't have to be working the second and third jobs that so many of the teachers here in the Valley are working today.
The problem is, when a teacher leaves, there are not many people there to fill the gaps. Some schools are lowering their standards for substitutes to meet demand. Substitute teachers have always been in high demand, but never to such an extent, leading to concerns about children's education outcomes, already suffering from the pandemic. So far, there hasn't been a comprehensive solution as students, parents, and teachers alike ride out the crisis as best they can.